Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure DrakeTax for state returns and schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by launching DrakeTax on your computer. Open the client file for the taxpayer you wish to work on. Navigate to the State tab located at the top of the interface. Select the appropriate state from the drop-down menu if the client has multiple state returns. Once you have chosen the state, review the client's information that auto-populates in the input fields. Verify that all relevant personal information is correct and complete. Proceed to the Input section on the left panel to enter or review the necessary tax data. Ensure that you are entering all income, deductions, and credits specific to the selected state. If the state requires additional forms or schedules, go to the Forms tab. Click on Add Forms to include any state-specific forms needed for the return. Once you have added the necessary forms, review each form for accuracy. Utilize the Diagnostics feature to check for any errors or omissions in the tax return. After resolving any issues, proceed to the Print options for the state return. Choose the state return formats you wish to print or e-file. If you plan to e-file, confirm that the e-file options are correctly set in the e-file settings. Double-check the filing status and any additional information required for e-filing. When everything is in order, finalize the return for submission. Save all changes to the client file before exiting DrakeTax. You have now successfully configured DrakeTax for state returns and schedules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.